Morning.
Good morning, guys. Corby wants to help me unboxing my. This is the fourth item from LVX Murakami. This is just the perfume. With the perfume, I have no problem because I ordered this 2 days ago and now it came. So, Corby, can you help me?
Maybe.
Open it na, anak la. Corby is very.
Go, go, go.
Let's see what's the packaging of the online perfume. Online perfume. No, you just do it like that. Oh, the paper bag is normal. It's not Murakami. It's all normal. It's all normal. But with a big, let's say, there's no Murakami packaging on this perfume. So let's open this one shots. That's the perfume. You can open it. Let's open it. I will help you. Whoop. This is the flower.
Flower.
Do it, anak. Can you help me? I think that's not. No, it's nothing. Sad to say. Sad. It's okay if there's no Murakami packaging. I already had some from these orders. I have this one, the alien. It's like alien panda stickers. Take forces, yeah, but this is you need
How
to
do
take
you
care.
open this?
Yeah, how do you open? Look, just so. I have at least I have the Murakami stickers. Okay. And here you can rip it. But careful, okay? Wait. I can
Okay,
fix
you do it.
I can do it. Okay. Corby is so ta-da! Oh, with the 2 samples. Okay. Perfume samples. Ooh, it's very nice. This is the Atrape Revs. I don't know how to read this one. It's nice, made in France. How many ml is this? I think 100. Ah, yeah, 100 ml. Can you open it, Corby? What are you doing? Already unboxed the samples. Open it, anak. You need to be careful, huh? Today is Saturday. No school, so Corby can help me. And these are the 3 items that I already got. This one I waited, Rosalie, I waited 2 weeks. The passport holder, I waited 3 weeks. And the multicolor sunglasses, I did not wait. I directly bought it in the store. Wait, anak. I think you need to do like this. Let's open it. Oh, there's still another box. Oh, is this a box? This is my first LV perfume, honestly. I'm not into luxury perfume. My luxury perfume is just the Salvatore Ferragamo. This is my second perfume. Ooh, it's nice, eh? Isn't it, Kobe?
Yes.
Here is the LV. And the perfume is inside. Oh, don't spray. It's dangerous. Yeah, you should not play with that one. I love it. It's gonna be nice for. I think it's nice for decoration. Can you open it, anak?
It's fine.
Because I'm holding my phone in my other hand.
Open it.
Oop. Oh, here. Wow. It's very nice.
Can you get it?
Wait to the plain background. So, guys, here it is. I really like this scent, Atrape Ribs. I tried it from the sample perfumes and I like it. And this is the scent from Murakami. Oh, this is gonna be a nice, how do you call that one up? Decoration. I love it, the cover. And I think I saw on TikTok that you can refill the perfume when it's empty. And you can even do you can even have a, how do you call that, hot stamp. No, it's not hot stamp, engrave. Hot stamp is for the bag. I think you can engrave your initials here. I will see if I'm gonna engrave for this one. I'm gonna have an engraved initials. So it's really, I can smell it from here. You spray something, okay, that was not Corby spray the, what's the
This is the
sense of
same.
this?
Oh, this
I think it's unisex, anak. I choose the unisex, so you can use it if you want. Corby loves
how much?
perfume. No, it's not. It's not how much. It's free. It's not how much.
Mama,
Yeah.
how much perfumes do we have? Like in the
I only have one perfume. I mean two. This is the second one. I only have the.
No, I mean like the sample.
Ferragamo. No, the samples in this package is only two. My SA always give me a 3. The last time I was there, she gave me 8.
So you can refill.
I'm so happy. It's a very happy. How do you call that one? For me, it's a, inside is also nice, Corby. There's some LV flowers. It's a happy design for me. The flowers are happy. They are happy. I am happy. I love it. I'm gonna make it as a decoration. You like it, chats? The panda one you can also order online, but it will take for a while. It was 4 weeks, so I did not order the panda one. I don't want to wait for 4 weeks. This one took only 3 days, and I like more the flowers than the panda. And this scent is very nice. So that's it, guys. The Louis Vuitton perfume X Murakami. So I already had 4 from this collection, and I am still waiting for the Victorine, the black multicolor. I already have the stickers, but this one, sad to say, there's nothing, no Murakami packaging. It's all normal, the yellow one. Is this yellow or orange, Corby?
Orange. Orange.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.
Boy. Wait, where's the orange?
Say thank you. Say Corby, bye-bye, guys.
Boy. Boy.
Corby, my baby. Don't play with that, Corby, okay? That's dangerous. When you spray it and it will spritzen deine Auge. Das ist nicht gut, ja? Nicht so spielen. Da kannst du das benutzen, aber nicht spielen. Wenn du draußen gehst, when we go out, you can use this perfume, Corby. The samples are also they call that one Andas, Corby. I mean, there's an LV overs, LV lovers here. The other one, the other sample, the other sample has no LV lovers. The camera is not focusing. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Okay, sorry, correction from this package, the perfume package, we got the stickers. I haven't seen the stickers because they put it here on the envelope of the receipt. So at least we got one from the packaging, at least stickers. It's okay. We already also had stickers from the previous order. I think that's from the passport holder, but at least from the perfume we got stickers. Corby, wir haben doch ein stickers, Corby, bekommen. That's Corby when he was 4 months. People, when we go out, people think Corby is Japanese. Japanese like Takashi Murakami. I really love this collection, even though it's quite disappointing, but well, anyway, I only want these 4 items. I'm still waiting for the Victorine But I think that's the last one, the Victorine. It's still pending validation. Let's hope for the best. Kobe! Nak! Brahabendok stickers. We already had a lot of stickers.